You guys, the Air Jordan 5 University Blue may sell just a little bit quicker than I thought because these things absolutely flew this morning with JDEA. So make sure you don't make this mistake and get the wrong size. Always remember, you guys, chase your dreams, because if you don't, one day somebody's going to hire you to help chase theirs. And of course, you guys never stop dreaming, because a life without dreams isn't really much. Let's go ahead. Let's get into this video.
Yeah, he got kicks. I like swish. I don't miss. Don't do bricks. He got kicks. The kid is sick. Team with raw, cause he got hits. He got kicks.
What is up, YouTube? I'm Hegotkickz. Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. There we get all the notifications every time I drop some bangers for you guys. Hit the like button, hit the share button, do all those great things for me. Follow me on Instagram at the real Hegotkickz, and of course the hat page Perfect Brims, and TikTok Hegotkickz95. You guys, today we had JD in-store EA, and it absolutely flew. It was really weird though, because it actually sold out here in like 10 minutes, but I don't know if it was like this everywhere, but they only had like size like 9 through like 11, it would seem like. So definitely not all the sizes. So it was really strange, but these things sold extremely fast, like faster than I really expected, because there might be a few things that made that happen. Because I was talking with somebody that I know, and they were saying, hey, you know, we're expected to have like 120 pairs, but we don't have that yet. So maybe it's because not all the shipment is in yet, and you know, only about half of it was able to be put into EA. The rest of it might be, you know, first come first serve. Maybe something like that is the cause. So I don't really know what it was, but definitely a little strange seeing that. Let me know if that's what it was like with you guys as well. And you guys already know, if we're getting in-store EA, you know, today, that probably means ship to me option is probably tomorrow. So again, it costs like 1,000 points. I didn't get it because, again, I thought, you know, it would be kind of easy, which again, if it is going to be like first come first serve, it might be a lot easier than we think. But if you guys need a size, let me know and I will try to get it to you guys. I will of course try to give it to you guys for that retail plus shipping. Again, if I can get it for retail, that's exactly what I'll do, or I will try to find the best price for you guys if you guys want these, because again, these are coming out Father's Day weekend, you guys. This is one that, again, is gonna fly. I really think this is gonna fly, because Father's Day weekend is always extremely busy in every mall. And again, we're expected to do, and this is just in hats, you guys, we're expected to do over $12,000 just on Saturday alone. That's not just for the whole weekend, that is Saturday alone. So with that being the case, and how the last few Saturdays have looked, more than likely we're probably going to come close to that. It's going to be kind of crazy. So I expect these fives to sell extremely well, especially in store. Maybe online you might be able to find them a few places, because I think a lot of people are going to be looking for that Father's Day fit, you know, or for that, you know, gift for their significant other or whatever throughout the weekend. They probably don't really want to get something that has to be shipped to them, but who knows? I mean, a gift is a gift whenever. But you guys, University Blue 5 is releasing this Saturday, and please don't get the wrong size. This right here, I will stick true to size. I stick true to size. Fits perfectly fine. Again, I've already started wearing one of the pairs. Got to do the on feet for you guys and everything, but again, true to size is perfect for me. If you guys do have wide feet, I would probably only go up about a half size on this, because again, it is a little bit of a wider shoe in itself, as you guys can see. But I really think if you have wider feet, that half size will probably do the job. But me personally, I have, you know, pretty flat feet, pretty narrow feet, and honestly, true to size is perfect for me. So if you guys, again, don't have wide feet, I think that true to size is going to be perfect for you as well. Again, this is just my opinion on my experience with the shoes. Everybody's experience is going to be a little different. What you guys have been wearing for fives, I would just get that, because again, I don't think it's changed too awful much. Again, as you guys know, this is one that if you want to get it, just cop it. I'm gonna be honest, this is one that if you get a chance to get it for retail and you have extra points to use a coupon to get it under retail, pick it up. That's what I would do. Again, and if you have to get just some other size, you can use that to trade and get your size. That's exactly what I would do, and that's what I hope everybody is able to do as well. I want to see everybody get their pair and not be able to enjoy them. The worst thing is having to go home, try these on, and they don't fit. So that's what I hope everybody's able to do, get their right size and be able to just wear them, enjoy them, and just have a good Father's Day weekend. I hope everybody eats super well too. That's going to be a whole lot of fun. But this is one I know a lot of y'all have been waiting for. Again, I really enjoy Father's Day weekend because they usually do drop some pretty good sneakers on Father's Day weekend, and it always does sell extremely well. And I don't expect this to be any different. If I'm being honest, I don't expect this to be any different. Resale again is not that high. It's probably around 240 in the size 10, so not that bad. But after fees and everything, it is closer to that 300. So best bet, just put in the work, act like you want it, and you will be able to get a Jordan 5 University Blue for retail. Because again, there's going to be a lot of pairs out there, but there's also going to be a lot of people out there shopping for them as well. So again, even though there's more pairs, that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be easier, because more pairs, a better sales weekend means more people out shopping, means more opportunity for other people to get them. So just put in the effort, try to get the shoe for retail. And again, if you have extra points, like I have on my JD app, I have like 10,000 points on JD, so you know I can get a couple $20 coupons, and that's not that bad, to be honest. That's not that bad. I'll take that. So I can actually just pick up a couple things that I need later on. So again, looking forward to that. But I really hope everybody has a wonderful Father's Day weekend. Again, shout out to all the dads out there. I hope you guys get these as a gift. I hope we don't have to spend any of our money on them. I hope you guys are able to kind of save your bank account, be able to keep taking that break we've had for the majority of the month, and be able to spend someone else's money on your Jordan 5 University Blue. That is what I'm hoping for, because again, you guys deserve it. Every single father out there, I appreciate what you guys do. It is a tough job, and again, shout out to my dad. Appreciate you for always looking out for me, always supporting me, and always believing in me. That's all it takes. That's the one thing I've always said. My father always gave me was not only unconditional love, but he believed in me. So this right here, again, is something that I think you guys will, of course, enjoy. I think it will be a great weekend for you guys. Again, just make sure you're putting in the effort, because if you just think, again, you might be one of the lucky ones and everything. Some people have some pretty good luck. Don't just go at it and say, you know what, I'm just going to try on sneakers, and if I don't, get it, then hey, whatever. But, I'll just try on sneakers and I'll just get it there. Don't be somebody that thinks that that's just a foregone conclusion that you're going to get them. Just put in the effort. If you don't want multiple pair, just if you win multiple raffles, you don't have to pick those up. That's that simple. So again, just put in the effort. I hope everybody gets them for retail. It doesn't have to spend that much. And again, hope you don't have to spend your money as well. Again, I love you guys. I appreciate y'all. Thank you guys so much for absolutely everything. Again, stick true to size on the Air Jordan 5 University Blue, and you guys will be wearing them Father's Day weekend. Love you guys. Appreciate y'all. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.